Wonderful people, this morning we are going to be sharing on how a calm mind can see solutions invisible to restless minds. Have you ever noticed how a calm mind can easily find solutions, whereas, restless minds will never find solution? Now we are going to embark on a journey on discovering the inner peace that unlocks crystal clear thinking. Because for you to think clearly, you need inner peace. Imagine your mind as a still lake. The lake doesn't flow, it's just quiet like that. Just imagine that your mind is like that. When the water is calm, it reflects the world perfectly. Every tree, every cloud, the vast sky above, but toss a stone of stress or agitation, and the ripples distort the reflection, obscuring the true image. In moments of chaos or pressure, our thoughts can become those ripples, distorted and unclear. Decisions made in this state might lead us down paths we later wish we hadn't taken. When you make any hasty decision in a mind that is not calm, that is not peaceful, down the line, you're going to be regretting some of the decisions you made. And you're going to tell yourself, how I wish I had not taken this path. But when we let the water settle, clarity emerges. That is what life entails. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you feel shaken, when you feel a bit disrupted in your inner mind, feel the difference when you exhale slowly. That brief pause can transform a reaction into a thoughtful response. That is why I always tell my children, when you are very angry, when you're very bitter, don't speak. Take in a deep breath, breathe out. You can do that action 3 times. In the process of it, your mind is finding its place. Your thought process becomes adjusted, such that by the time you want to utter any word, you must have gone through a process of refining, such that the words you utter, at the tail end of it, you won't find any regret of the fact that you had uttered such words. Think about it. How many times have we sent hastily typed messages in the heat of the moment, only to follow up with an oops, sorry about that? Most often it happens. Maybe if we all took a 5-second pause, we would have saved ourselves from those little embarrassments. At times we rush to say things, and then when we listen or we sit down and reflect, we feel embarrassed. Life often feels like a race, pushing us to make quick decisions. But what if the true strength lies in slowing down? By finding peace within, we not only make better choices, but also connect more deeply with ourselves and others. The next time you're faced with a tough decision, will you choose to react impulsively, or will you take a moment to find your calm center? How might this shift impact your life? Always think before you speak. In overexcitement, don't make promises. In your anger, don't speak, don't curse, don't utter any foul language. Remember, the calmer you are, the clearer you think. Let your decisions flow from a place of peace, not reaction. In stillness, you will find the answers you've been seeking. Thank you. I hope this sharing impacts you and teaches you how you can manage certain choices, or you can make certain choices when it comes in time that you don't have peace of mind. Good morning.